In our podcast, Keep It or Change Cars, we discuss fuel issues or market strategy. In this episode of All Things Motoring, Ernest gives us the lowdown at the Classic Car and Bike Show, Part 2. This is All Things Motoring News. To read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. In Love at First Drive, this Valentine's Day, have you seen it? The crimson red Jetour dashing, parading around Josie in the back of a truck with the words, "A million times over, I will always choose you." Unveiled this week at BMW Group Plant Rosslyn, the locally produced BMW X3 Gen 4 launches, introducing the new Golf, Volkswagen Smart, stylish entry-level model. A Moto in Jaku set to showcase plug-in hybrid efficiency in epic endurance drive. Rolls-Royce reigns supreme in George, a gleaming assembly of Rolls-Royce and Bentley models, hailed as the crowning glory of British motoring heritage, stole the spotlight at the 28th George All Car Show recently, where more than 12,000 enthusiasts flocked to the Eton Technical High School. Remember, to read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. All Things Motoring News is proudly brought to you by Change Cars. If you're looking to sell, need advice, need finance, or need insurance, Change Cars has you covered.